Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, transmission temperature gauge, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, trip odometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.